Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the cabinet light socket in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the oven's bottom panel. With the panel partially lowered, reach in and using tissue to protect the bulb, unthread the bulb from the socket. Now unthread the socket mounting screw. Pull the old socket free and disconnect the wires. Install the new cabinet light socket by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align the new socket and secure it with the mounting screw. Thread the light bulb into the new socket. Reposition the bottom panel and rethread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.